Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. You have already saw the unboxing. This is a very special IEM and it is a collaborative product of CVJ and Angel Ears. Let's start my review. First of all, the packaging is done very nicely and the presentation is also very beautiful. So overall you get a very premium unboxing experience. In the box, you get a pretty decent carrying case with a beautiful design and the IM name written on it. And you get total of 12 amazing ear tips and one reading paper. Now coming to the look of this IM. You can clearly see that it's very beautiful and very unique design, and it's very different from other IMs. It's completely white and that's why it was my favorite, and I choose to get it because white color is just my favorite. The cable is also very strong and high quality. You can check it out. The cable is also very premium. So far everything is very perfect, from unboxing experience to the presentation and the product itself. Everything is just so perfect. Now let's see how does it sound. Welcome to my sound review section. Friends, I've been using this IEM for more than 2 months actually. I was not using it regularly, but sometimes when I was comparing it with other IEMs and doing some testing. For me, it's not a natural sounding IEM. It's a very technical IEM and is not for everyone. Let me say this very fairly and with complete honesty. It's not for everyone. It's for some very special people who are audiophile or are some special listeners. Let's talk about it more. It's a vocal forward IM. It has a very crisp, sharp and clear vocals. The bass is balanced here. It's not a bassy IM overall. I didn't enjoy listening to the music with this IM because it's not suitable for every type of music, especially for bass. But if you have a balanced amplifier with EQ options, then you can adjust your sound experience, and it has a very high sound, like you have to listen to it at very low volume, otherwise it's problematic sometimes also. As far as the treble is concerned, it's very high and treble is overpowering everything here. We can call this IM a treble IM actually. I mean, the treble is not trashy or it's not shouty, but it comes with other instruments. I'm not saying it's trashy, but this is the main thing here. It's adjustable and bearable, but the problem with its tuning is that it is overpowering the other instruments' natural performance. Like, it comes with every instrument and it is disturbing sometimes. So I hope you understand my point. So in short, it's not for every type of music genres. It's good for vocal videos and also for news, podcasts, movies, etc., but not for every type. As far as the fit and comfort is concerned, it does fit nicely and is comfortable. Also, I don't see any issues here. Overall, the soundstage is balanced. If you don't dive into the technicalities here, it's not natural and it feels very compromised. You will only feel that the sound is very detailed, very crispy, sharp and clear, but at the same time it feels like it is made up or edited. That's a very, I would say, hard criticism, but I feel that way. That's it with my review. Let's go to my recommendation chapter. Because it's an expensive IM, so I am not much impressed with the quality it offers. So I suggest, if you are really interested, buy it when it's on sale. I mean, at very discounted price. As far as my rating is concerned, I rate this IM 3 out of 5 star. It's not bad, but not impressive in this price range, because it's a flagship category and it's just a good sound but not very impressive in this price range. I have provided the discount codes in the description, which is eligible for all the products on AliExpress. And you can see that the link you will see will get you to this. Right now it's not available, but Lucky Bag is available on Angel Air store. So the price is 167 US dollar, but if you use the discount codes you can actually get it more cheaply. And you can see that there are other options available also, so it's your choice. I think the price should have been only 100 US dollar. Otherwise it's a very good IM. Like the white color is just so beautiful, but for me this is not my daily driver. I'm not going to use it as my daily driver at all, but sometimes if I want to compare it with some other IMs, etc. But overall it was a very actually hard IM to test, and the best option for you guys, if you really love this IM, like its presentation or the IM look, if you have a nearby store which has IMs available, you can actually go and listen to it first if it is available, and then you can think whether you want to buy it or not. That would be the best solution ever. So that's it with my review. I hope I have made my points very clear. It was actually a very difficult review and it was a very difficult IM to understand, but I have already said that it's not for everyone. It's for very special people, and it's not for everyone. No one will understand its technicalities and where this IM goes. That's it with my review. From now on my all next reviews are going to be short and on point. Thank you for watching my video.